So, I have a confession to make. I didn't film anything this week and I'm feeling a little bit lazy. So, I'm going to cheat a little bit and I'm just going to do a rehash of, oh man, the light is blinding. I'm just throwing up some old Dashcam videos that I've got. If y'all are ever wondering what your wife is doing in the car when you're not there and your car comes back and something feels kind of off with it, well, this is going to tell the story. So I'm going to get to editing this and then got a little sweet moment between me and my daughter and a little bit of family time in the car. So hope y'all like it. Sorry for not putting as much effort into this as I usually do. But thanks for watching. Bye.
The balance of the way you feel. It is your balance of thought and feeling that is affecting what you're receiving. Good morning. We are extremely pleased that you are here. It is good to come together for the purpose of co-creating. Do you agree? Are you knowing what you are wanting? That's a good thing. Being clear about what you want is so helpful. Being clear about what you want helps you.
En la trayectoria completa y tengo que decirte que de forma muy sincera, que me quedé sumamente sorprendido, ya que aunque sabía que eres un auténtico fuera de serie, no era consciente de hasta qué punto, ¿de acuerdo? Sé que además actualmente has escrito varios libros como Madera de Líder, Reinventarse, Tu Segunda Oportunidad y Ahora Yo. Das conferencias sobre liderazgo, comunicación, creatividad y gestión del estrés.
Head north for Sandshell Drive. In a quarter mile, turn left onto Stratum Drive.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. See, more, I really hope so. You're gonna drive like awesome daddy does. Daddy. Awesome daddy, boom, boom. Awesome daddy, boom, boom. Nah, bruh. I have to go home and get it. Seriously, you want to do deliveries? Aww.